Is ArchiCAD confusing the first time you open it? You are not alone. Most civil engineers open it and close it immediately. But today, that changes. By the end of this lesson, you should clearly understand the ArchiCAD interface and know exactly where everything is and what it does. When you open ArchiCAD 27, this is what you see. The entire environment, which is called the workspace. Now, it may look complex at first, but in reality, everything here is well organized into sections. Once you understand those sections, ArchiCAD becomes simple. Let's start from the top. This is the menu bar. Here you will find File, Edit, View, Design, Document, Options, Teamwork, Windows, and finally, Help. Now listen carefully. You do not need to master everything here right now. In fact, trying to do that will slow you down. So we will focus only on what you actually need as a civil engineer. Now, let's move to the left side. This is the toolbox. This is where all your design elements are. And design elements are simply what buildings are made up of, like the walls, the slabs, columns, beams, doors, windows, roofs, stairs, and opening. Everything you need to create a building starts here. Now, whenever you select any tool, its settings will appear. This is where you control dimensions, materials, behavior. We will go deep into each one later. For now, just understand where to find them. Now, sometimes your design will not be standard. You may need something custom. That's where tools like complex profile comes in. This allows you to create unique structural shapes. But don't worry, we will break that down step by step in this course. Now let's move to the center. This is your drawing area. This is where everything happens. Every wall, every column, every beam, every detail is created right here. Now look, the sections controls your view. We have floor plans, sections, elevations, 3D views. These are all called viewpoints. They allow you to see your building from different perspectives. Section cuts through your building, elevation shows the exterior, and 3D gives you the full model. As a civil engineer, this is where your understanding becomes powerful. Now let's move to the documentation side. This is where your design becomes presentable. Here you handle dimensions, annotations, everything needed to communicate your work professionally. Now let me tell you something important. This video is part of our ArchiCAD launch on May 8, 2026, which happens to be my birthday. And the cost is just $50. You can message me on WhatsApp to join the waiting list. See you on the other side, my friend.